Good morning, children. Children, we have already learned what comes after and before a number. And today we shall learn what comes in between two numbers. So let's start. In this picture, you can see a tomato, a garlic pod and bitter gourd. Now, just before the garlic, we have the tomato. And just after the garlic pod, we have the bitter gourd. So children, in between tomato and bitter gourd, we have the garlic. Okay, garlic comes in between the tomato and the bitter gourd. Remember, garlic comes in between the tomato and the bitter gourd in the picture. Okay, in this picture we have apple, that is in between the honeybee and the froggy. Apple is in the middle, it is in between. Here we have three shapes. Now children, tell me which shape comes in the middle of circle and triangle. It is the square. Square is in between. Okay, in between the circle and the triangle. Now I am going to rearrange the position of the shapes. Now in between circle and square we have the triangle. Again I am going to rearrange, and here in this picture now we have the circle in between the triangle and the square. Circle is in between. Now here we have three letters A, B and C, and B comes in between A and C. Okay, B comes in between A and C. Let's see with the help of numbers. Here we have three numbers, 4, 5 and 6, and you have to find which number is in between number 4 and number 6. Between numbers are the ones that come in the middle of two numbers. So here number 5 is in between 4 and 6. Now let's guess what comes in between. Children, here we have number 2 and number 4. Now you have to guess what comes in between 2 and 4. So children, any guesses? Yes, you are right. It is number 3. So number 3 comes in between number 2 and number 4. Now here we have number 7 and number 9, and again you have to guess what comes in between. So look at the numbers given above and guess. Come on. Yes, it is number 8. So 8 comes in between 7 and 9. Children, this is a very easy concept. Keep on practicing and you will able to do it on your own. Thank you. Bye-bye.